Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna dry fish. First, choose fresh tuna, ideally over 5 pounds, for the best results. Thoroughly clean the fish, removing all scales and internal organs. Next, cut the tuna into consistent strips, about 1 inch thick, to ensure even drying. Finally, prepare a strong brine solution using salt and water. After preparing your tuna, submerge the strips in the brine solution for 6 to 8 hours. Make sure every piece of fish is completely covered to absorb the salt evenly. Once brined, remove the tuna and rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water. This step removes excess salt. Then, pat each strip completely dry with paper towels. Now it's time for drying. Arrange the tuna strips on drying racks, ensuring there's good airflow around each piece. You can use a food dehydrator or dry them in a well-ventilated area. Maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 95 and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The drying process typically takes 12 to 24 hours until the fish is firm. Once your tuna is fully dried, check for any remaining moisture. It should be completely firm. Store the finished dry tuna in airtight containers or vacuum-sealed bags to maintain freshness. Keep it in a cool, dark place, and it can last for up to 6 months. Now you can enjoy your delicious, homemade dry tuna fish whenever you like.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.